let us start a next application of circular motion, that is well of death or a wall of death. This is called as मौत का कुआं. Student, you might observe this scene, that मौत का कुआं. On this मौत का कुआं well of death, the vehicles are moving on the vertical wall. So how they can move on the vertical wall, the dynamics of this we are going to study in detail. So these vehicles are not falling down because they are getting the proper magnitude of balancing force. Here if you thought which is the balancing force, here balancing force is a frictional force, no any other force which will balance the weight of this vehicle on such vertical wall. So the weight of the vehicle is balanced by the frictional force. How this frictional force can be increased? This frictional force depends on the normal reaction. Frictional force is equal to mu into normal reaction. Mu is constant between the surfaces in contact. So maximum value of mu is constant between surfaces in contact. But here normal reaction can be increased. As the speed of the vehicle is increased, the effect of centrifugal force increase. As the effect of centrifugal force increase, the normal reaction increase. So for this case, the increase in speed is safe, whereas there is a limit to minimum speed. If here the vehicle rider, that motor cyclist or that car four-wheeler driver, if reduces the speed beyond a certain value, then it will be unsafe condition such that the weight exceeds the frictional force and that vehicle may fall down. So here the vehicle will remains in contact with the surface if the speed is sufficient. So here is a limit to the minimum speed, not to the maximum speed. If the speed is more and more, as the speed increases, I will once again repeat, centrifugal force increases. As centrifugal force increases, normal reaction increases. This is as per the Newton's third law. As action increases, reaction increases. This is the reaction force, and this reaction force will increase the magnitude of this frictional force, that is mu into normal reaction. Here mu is constant, but normal reaction is variable. It depends upon the speed of vehicle, and if this is greater than or equal to mg, then the vehicle skidding will be stopped. So let us study the equations for this well of death. This is also applicable on the vertical drum of the washing machine. So cloths in the dryer of the washing machine, which having the vertical dryer, vertical spinner. So cloths get connected with this surface and they are not falling down. At very less speed, or whenever this dryer, this rotor stops, then only that cloths will fall. So up to a certain speed, here cloths will be remains contact, cloths remains fixed, cloths remains pinned with the surface. So here, what is the normal reaction? Here normal reaction is nothing but the centrifugal force, and centrifugal force magnitude is same as that of centripetal force, that is mr omega square or mv square by r. If you need the equation in terms of frequency, we will use centripetal force as mr omega square, because this omega can be easily converted into period form or frequency form. And if you want a speed formula, then mv square by r. So normal reaction is in this case. So for that purpose, the diagram is essential. Unless and until you draw the diagram, you cannot write the force equation. So that is FBD, free body diagram. So here normal reaction is mr omega square or mv square by r. Here what is frictional force? Here frictional force is equal to mg. Here force of static friction is always less than or equal to mu s n. Here force of static friction is always less than or equal to mu s n. So this is always less, but by increasing the normal reaction, this value can be increased. So here force of static friction is less than or equal to mu s n, because this value is constant, because it is mu s into n. So for a particular case it is constant, but it depends on the normal reaction. If you increase the normal reaction, this Fs can be increased. Here the Fs balances the weight, means this equation is actually can be written as mg is less than or equal to mu s into, here normal reaction is mv square by r. See here in this equation you can very well understand in this equation rather than this. Here m is constant, g is constant, mu s is constant, m is constant, r is constant, but v is variable. Here v can be changed by this driver or that person who is driving the vehicle. Here as the v increases, this factor increases. As this factor increases, this mu s into n increases, whereas this value is constant. So it cannot be increased or decreased, but this can be increased. So whenever it will be greater than or equal to mg, then it will be a safe condition, vehicle will not fall, and that will be a motion on this vertical surface in horizontal plane. This is said to be a motion on vertical surface in horizontal plane. So cancelling you will get g less than or equal to mu s v square by r. Whenever this is greater than or equal to this factor, then it will be a safe condition. Elsewhere it will be a skidding, because this will exceed this and that will be unsafe condition. So this equation can be written as v square is greater than or equal to rg by mu s. So these are the constant terms. So v square must be greater than or equal to rg by mu s calculation. So these are the constant term. With this constant term, whatever the value you will get, that will decide the value of v square. So practically your v should be greater than or equal to this calculated value from this rg by mu s square root. Hence the minimum speed needed to maintain the circular motion in this case is under root of rg by mu s. So student, we have studied earlier in the case 1, application 1, safety speed along the horizontal curved road was under root of mu s rg. In that horizontal surface, all these three parameters are in one line. Denominator was 1. And on vertical surface, in horizontal plane, the formula is under root of rg by mu s. So remember, here on vertical surface, here one term comes in denominator, that is dimensionless term, because the unit of v depend upon the unit of r and g. So here in denominator you have to take the dimensionless term. In this way you can remember this formula. So on the vertical surface in well of depth or wall of depth, the formula is v minimum equal to under root of rg by mu s. Let us study one problem based on this well of depth, Mauth ka Kuwa, or wall of depth. A motorcyclist to be treated as a point mass is to undertake horizontal circle inside the cylindrical wall of a well. So this is well of death, or this is wall of death of inner radius 4 meter. So up till here you got only one value. Radius is 4 meter and it is a case of well of death. Coefficient of static friction between the tires and the wall is 0.4. So this is mu s. Mu s is 0.4. Calculate the minimum speed. So this is how much minimum safe speed is required. Below that the vehicle will fall. Calculate the minimum speed and the frequency. You have to calculate both speed as well as frequency necessary to perform this stunt. Calculate the minimum speed and the frequency necessary to perform this stunt. Use g equal to 10 meter per second square. So here once you got the speed, you can calculate the frequency by any modification, as we have studied in Coindisk case, v equal to r omega, then omega equal to 2 pi n, like this, or any by another equation. like shown in the solution. So here the formula for well of death is minimum speed V minimum equal to under root of Rg by mu s. Here R is 4 meter, G is 10 and mu s is 0.4. So 4 get cancel, it will be in square root. 10 by 0.1 means square root of 100, square root of 100 is 10. So V minimum is 10 meter per second. So to continue the circular motion in horizontal plane, here that motorcyclist must have to maintain the minimum speed as 10 meter per second. What is the frequency? So frequency will be calculated by this equation. V equal to R omega. What is the V formula? V equal to R omega. So that is R into 2 pi n. So on this side, imagine the term R omega, that is R into 2 pi n equal to V. So n equal to V divided by 2 pi r. So n equal to V divided by 2 pi r. As here velocity is minimum, so frequency will be minimum because it is directly proportional. As velocity is minimum, so frequency will be minimum. So what is the minimum frequency? It is V minimum divided by 2 pi r. V minimum is 10, 2 pi value and r value, that is the radius of that circular motion of that motorcyclist, is 4. So solving this, you will get approximate answer as 0.4 revolutions per second. Here is one more problem. During a stunt, a cyclist considered to be a particle is undertaking horizontal circle inside a cylindrical well of radius 6.05 meter. So here radius is given as 6.05 meter and it is a well of death. If the necessary friction coefficient is 0.5, that is coefficient of static friction, mu s is 0.5. How much minimum speed should the stunt artist maintain? How much minimum speed means we have to calculate V. So for calculation of this V, the formula is V minimum equal to under root of Rg by mu s, Rg by mu. Mass of the artist is 50 kg. So from the mass we can calculate the frictional force, initial frictional force in the limiting condition, because initially Fs equal to mg, as mass is 50 kg, 50 into g, that will give you the initial value of frictional force. If she or he increases the speed by 20%, how much will the force of friction be? If the speed increases, normal reaction increases. As the normal reaction increases, the frictional force also increases. And in that case, the frictional force will be greater than weight. It is again the safe condition. So this is a problem belongs to well of death. Radius is 6.05 meter. Here mu is 0.5. It is mu s. Mass of that person is 50 kg. Here we have to find the minimum speed, initial limiting force of static friction, that is a frictional force. If speed increases by 20%, then what will be the new force of friction? We will study the answer of this in the next part.